Ah.
I think he tinkled. Now it feels, my neck feels like
Chef's meal with Humphrey.
Hunter!
You want to go back up there, don't you, and just keep playing? We can do that. We can do that. Where's Hunter? Do what you're doing before. Uh-oh. He caught it.
Announcing the 60-day satisfaction guarantee. When you buy a new GMC, if you don't absolutely love it, return it. Simple as that.
Is he doing it again? How's it focus?
It's Wednesday. No, not Wednesday. You set the time, tally the score, and see who this week's trophy winner is.
What's that?